So this video for how to fix your weed eater, and it's not working, and right now winter is gone, and right now it's spring coming, so some people start to cut the glass ear, you ear the glass. So when you try to start your weed eater, probably they won't stop. And like today, I did try 3-4 times, it won't start. So what you're gonna do, you just watch. So you just shaking the weed eater like this, front and back, and after that, and you can easy to open it. So before I have same problem because the winter time you didn't cut glass, leave you there in garage. So long time, so the oil transfer the hole was blocked by some small things. So before I open it, I clean it, and it works. But one day I do that again, so this don't work again. So I just thought about probably I can shaking, and like the hole gonna be through because I shaking so much. So inside some block, some kind of things can move. That's why I tried it, and this work. And today also I tried my cut my glass. This leave my garage probably almost a year. I didn't cut my glass, so sometimes somebody call somebody call it. So that's why today I tried again non-stop, and I just do like this 3-4 times, then I easily can start the machines. So I wish this video can help you. Okay, so when you cut glass, probably in the middle somewhere they start working again, and you need a shaking and start again, they will work. Today I did halfway and start working, and I shaking a little bit and started, and also the work. I wish this video can help you. So if you have this kind of issues with your weed eater, you can try this kind of way. Probably can easily solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching the video.